back talking about the best signal provider there is in today's world, and that is SignalPeak. They are a Telegram signal provider, and not just a one group provider like you might pay thousands for. SignalPeak literally can let you start for free and give you over 100 premium crypto groups. That's 100 premium crypto groups plus 45 premium Forex groups, all in one package, and you can try it for free or just get straight and pay your membership. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advice, just for education purposes only, but you can see here, right, if you want to get involved with SignalPeak right now, they are doing incredible, all right? Literally start a trial for 3 days. That is unbelievable. Just test it. Don't even believe me. Then you could do 1 month every single month for $250, or you can get the lifetime fee for $750. And even better than that, if you use my link down below, I'm going to get a tiny bit of commission. You're going to save yourself $100, and this will change to $650. Unbelievable, right? So I do tell everyone, get the 3-day free trial and try it out. What you'll get is you'll get access to all of these groups, guys, and you can choose which ones you want. So for example, let's just choose on one right now. Okay, these are the crypto groups. I'm going to go with Crypto World. Okay, Crypto World is absolutely fantastic, and you can see some of the percents here, right? 1%, 1%, 1.9%, 1%. So you can start making 10% in an hour just by going with all the trades. So this is how the signals come. You can see NMR, USDT, long signal. Here's the strength of 2. Okay, you can see the next one is 1. The entry price, the target, the profit you're looking for, and the time. You can get 1% every single time on these signals, guys. You can make an unbelievable amount of percent within a month, all right? Absolutely insane. So that's how you do it, guys. But remember, you can get all this for free, plus all the other groups that I showed you. All right, guys, what I want to show you now is how you actually check the trades are going in the direction that you believe. What I mean is you should never just take a trade off the judgment of another trader. Now, yes, signals are sent to make your life easier. Of course they are. But if you start to learn just a tiny bit, which I'm going to show you, how to look at TradingView, is it in the right direction? Is it completely crazy? Okay, once you learn that, guys, all right, it becomes much easier. So let me do this for you. Let me show you how to take one of the latest trades. Okay, latest trade is here. Now, I'm going to make this large. You don't need to see. Sorry. I'm going to make this large so we can take a trade. So the trade is Algo BTC. So let's search that first. You're going to go into TradingView. Okay, you're going to click this search button and let's go Algo BTC. And then always put .p for perpetual. Algo BTC. Perfect. So we're now here, okay? Now the indicators I'm using are telling me when to sell, when to buy. All right, if you want to know them indicators, just get in with a VIP, ask the question, and I will let you know as well. All right, so I'll go BTC. Now we can see here, all right, now again, you do not have to be a trader to notice that the absolute trend going on right now is a huge sell, okay? That's the trend on the 1 hour chart. So every hour it's going lower and lower and lower. You don't need to be an expert to see that. So we go back to the signal, okay? What's it telling us to do? It's telling us to buy, okay? Buy at 0.0000181, which is exactly where it is right now. So they're saying buy right this second, okay? And this is, they're doing this from the 4 hour chart. So if we change our chart to 4 hours, then just match everything that comes to the signal, okay? They're saying that here, it's going to be a buy. Now, why are they saying this? Okay, for me personally, I would wait a little bit longer to take this signal. But again, I'm not an expert trader. So if you're going to go with the expert trader's advice, go with them. The first thing they're going to be looking at is this right here. When these lines cross, there is a momentum change, okay? This is an indicator. Again, you can ask what it is. So the lines cross here, and we started to see it then sell. The lines have crossed again, okay? Which means there is going to be a momentum change. The last time they crossed was this. Came all the way down here, momentum change back up. So what do we have here? We have a buy candle. You see that? This is a buy candle. It started to push up. We've seen down, 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 and it pushed up a little bit. We are now sat with this candle where it's telling us to buy it. So this could be the support and resistance level needed to then push up. Again, guys, I'm not a professional trader. They're telling you it's going to go back up. If it does, great, the signal worked. Personally, I'm going to give you the honest truth. This signal, I would wait until this candle finishes. If this candle finishes as a buy, okay, if this finishes blue, like this, to here, I would then buy all the way up just like they've said. but I like to just make sure myself. So guys, that's how you can check the signals on TradingView and make sure that you're comfortable with it yourself. So SignalPeak is by far the most superior, guys, and that's why there's over 11,000 people involved in there right now. I have an affiliate link. Like I said, you'll save $100. I'll make a bit of commission, and we can both be happy. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified, and get over to SignalPeak right now.